Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're inside a 2018 BMW M2, and just know I have the largest smile behind this camera. This car is amazing, let's just say that. So today I'm going to be taking it to a nighttime drive, and unlike all the other nighttime drives, I'm actually going to be talking and sharing my impressions of the car, because it's been a very fun one to drive so far. A little bit about the car. Like I mentioned, it's a 2018 BMW M2. Under the hood we have a 6-cylinder turbo 3-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 6-speed manual transmission right here, and this is one of the best manual transmissions I've driven so far, but more thoughts on that later. This car does have a M Performance exhaust, and I've opened the valves right now. We are driving in Sport Plus. I'm going to take you guys for a quick walkthrough of the outside, as the color is just beautiful on this car. So let's do that. Take a look under the hood, and we'll get along with the driving impressions. Don't mind me, it's a little windy out here, but as you can see, this car looks absolutely beautiful and stunning. We have some really nice Michelin Pilot Super Sports on here. The dimensions I'll get to later, as I can't see them on here, it's so dark, but I'll put them in the description below for sure. This is what it looks like from the back. Now this car did come from Kelowna, BC, so that's why you see the license plate there, cover, but decent amount of room in the back here with lit up trunk. This exhaust down here, not sure if the camera's picking it up, but it sounds amazing, and looks like it's wrapped in carbon fiber, and as you can see down there, it's got the M logo. I'm sure you can't pick it up at nighttime, but it's there, believe me. M2, thick tires, big brakes. This car has the perfect recipe for a amazing sports car. Just the angles on it are just unreal. I'm gonna get a little video of it with the hood down and stuff, but just taking a look at this car, it is beautiful, to say the least. Under the hood, here's our 3-liter inline 6 engine. It's producing 365 horsepower and 343 pound-feet of torque, and oh boy, can you feel that torque in this car. You have your plastics and all, a bunch of goodies down here. Very clean engine bay. Amazing. Put this down. Just the body lines on this car are nuts. Did I put it down all the way? I did indeed. Okay. Stunning car, stunning car. Let's take a look at these tires here quickly, shall we? My Pilot Super Sport. So these are some 19-inch rims, and on the tire it says 245 35 R19s. Man, very nice tires, very grippy, and I believe we should have I believe these are staggered setup. Let's see. Not too familiar with it, as it's not my car, but yeah, it's staggered 265 35 R19s. So a little bit of thicker tires in the rear, and oh boy, does it look nice. All right, that's enough from the outside. Let's take it for a drive. Oh, see, the hood is still open. Amazing. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the navigation here. For some reason, I'm having some issues with connecting my GoPro and the wireless Apple CarPlay in this car. So we're just gonna use the navigation that comes with the BMW navigation here on the infotainment. However, this car, as I mentioned, is equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay. You got your directions up here. Nice little middle center console. Let's turn on the lights here so you guys can take a little better look. Just the red looks amazing in this car. And I just put it up all the way. We are in Sport Plus. Without further ado, let's go do what this car is made to do, and that is drive. Alrighty, hopefully this semi. Easy peasy for this car. Taking this turn at 50 kilometers, and boy oh boy, like I mentioned earlier, the confidence this car gives you is absolutely unreal. Let's go, boys. Yeah. I have no words. The way the car delivers power, guys, is unreal, man. It's just making me, please stay in your lane, Civic. Civic, what are you doing? I'm trying to explain the power delivery of this M2. Thank you. All right, the power delivery of this M2. Unreal. Like, the gears are so short. I'm not used to it. I'm used to other cars, so like I almost want to go from second to like fifth, but I have to understand the gears are so short in this car that it like really goes through them really fast. I do find that on the on-ramp there, I did hit red line, and that was due to the fact that I wasn't aware where red line is, and also missing the gear. But man, did this thing put me in the back of my seat, and I'm gonna probably end up blurring the speed limit out because I realized we might have not been going the speed limit there. But we need to go back on the highway one more time to run that, because I can't believe this car at all. We'll just put it in neutral. See, like the way the gear shifts are, they're very small. Like, this is very short gearing, and I just need to get used to it. Ya boy is not used to the short gearing. However, being able to throw it in these corners, it's just unreal. It's so stupid the way this car does it. Like, I cannot explain to you how well this car drives. The way everything feels, the way it drives, the way the seats like bolster you in. Let me show you these seats. I guess I didn't show you before, but take a look at these leather seats. Amazing. You have carbon fiber in here. Steering wheel, man. One of the best shifters ever. Even though I'm not used to it, I just know this is the best shifter that I have ever driven to date, and I can say that easily. I really, really like this over the SI. And even though I'm a Honda fanboy, it's just cold hard facts. But again, for the price that this car is, it is just the best bang for your buck. So I'm gonna take this on-ramp in third and see how it performs in third. I'm hoping redline doesn't come as quickly as it did last time. So we're also gonna take this in third, but at 50. Oh, it's already way better. The way the seats are gripping me in, the way it's turning in, like the confidence, guys. I'm already caught up with the flow of traffic. Like, you're joking. I just got on, but I'm already caught up. Like, come on, man. This thing is just... It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. I have literally no other words for it. It feels so right. The smile it puts, the noises it makes, the way it looks, man, everything about it is just bloody perfect. And I just want to say, if you're in the market to purchase this car, it's a yes. It's an immediate yes. Compared to its competitors, compared to a lot of other sports cars, this is it. You have everything you need. You got a good sound system, you have a 6-speed manual transmission, you have all the fine leathers and finishes, you have the M package, like not even M package, I guess that's a thing now, but I mean, like, this is an M2, this is a real M car, and it just delivers on its promise. You have your analog gauges, they're red, you have 363 horsepower, it's amazing, and man, I would recommend, I don't know what the normal car sounds like with the normal exhaust, I would recommend getting this M exhaust upgrade, I'm assuming it is, because it adds to like the theater of this car. The way the burbles pop, like, I typically don't like when people get that burble tune on their car, but they're so natural in this car. Like, this is how it comes out the factory, so you can't even hate on it. It just sounds so perfect. But sometimes people go so much distance to get those burbles in there, like 330 or whatever. I'm not hating, but I'm just saying I personally don't like it. I think it's a little too loud, but this car is just absolutely perfect with the burbles, the noises, the throttle input, the shifting, the feel. Look at these rev matches, y'all. You're joking. I'm in fourth. You're joking. I'm in fourth. Oh, wait, what? Did you want to go to third? Oh, we're in third. This is a cheat code. This is an absolute cheat code of a transmission. The way this thing... Oh, man. The way this thing auto rev matches. Oh, you know, I'm coming up to a stop. Second? Second. Come on, dude. Come on. What a car. Like... I am so excited to be able to do this one more time. Run it back. This is the third time. And I honestly prefer it in third, I'm not gonna lie. Taking this on-ramp in third is a lot more better. So, maybe that's the gear you're supposed to be in. Alright, there's a Civic behind me trying to keep up. Buddy, you're gonna get lost in this loop right now. Sorry. See ya. I don't know if you can see that rear view mirror, but that Civic is gone. I need to return it to its rightful owner because I am in love with this thing. I am in love with this car. If you're in the market for buying this car, man, it's a thumbs up for me. Enjoy it. Love the sounds. Love everything about it. Honestly, This might be the honeymoon phase, but there isn't anything I hate about it. However, I will ask the owner if there's anything that he doesn't like about the car and what it is, and I'll make sure that I include it in another video, because again, I'm in the honeymoon phase with this thing, so I want to give you guys the best possible review and the best possible thoughts on the car. But my first impressions of the car, this thing is an absolute blast. And if you're wondering what it's like to cruise at highway speeds in 6th gear, I'm gonna come back to highway speeds here, haha. And yeah, we are in, dude, we're at 2400, 2450 RPMs, and even with this Sport Plus on exhaust, it's unreal. Let's throw it in comfort quickly. Oh wow. Oh wow, the drone, like the noise of the, not even drone, you can't even call it a drone, the noise of the exhaust is gone. Wow, just wow. But hey, I didn't get this thing to drive it in comfort mode. Oh, the turbo. Oh, and the burbles. So right, this car, it feels so right. Wow. Wow. I think at some point in my life, I need a M car in my life. That's what I'm gonna conclude this video with. So, coming soon to a channel near you, aka G doing things. There's gonna be a M car. Mark my words. I don't know how soon, but mark my words, we're gonna get an M car at some point, because this thing is just too fun, too perfect, and too amazing to not have in your life. Comment down below what daily driver you would have along with this car. For me personally, I would daily drive it in the summer, but I would still need something in the winter time, because we do have all 4 seasons where I live. I'm probably gonna go with a Honda, but I don't know what would be the car. Something to think about. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for tuning in and watching another video on my channel. It's much appreciated. All the likes, comments, and feedback that I get has been so positive. It's been truly amazing to make these videos for you guys. I hope you guys continue having a wonderful day wherever you are. Enjoy your day, enjoy your week. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Peace.